Hey guys, it's Kerry. I'm looking at animals from Namibia in Africa. Oryx or gemsbok. It is the national animal of Namibia. Oryx form mixed herds of both female and males. Both sexes of the species have horns, although the male's horns are shorter and thicker. The oryx was chosen as Namibia's national animal due to its courage, elegance and pride. Females use their horns to defend themselves and their offspring from predators, while males primarily use their horns to defend their territories from other males. Giraffe. A male knows when a female is ready for mating by smelling her urine and genital area using the Fleeman response. The male will rest his chin on her back or use his forelegs to tap on her hind legs, signaling that he is ready to mate. The herd's dominant male usually prevents other males from mating with females in his herd. He will follow her until she allows him to mount her. The male rears up on his hind legs and mounts her from behind. Copulation lasts for a few seconds and may be repeated 2 or 3 times. The male's sexual organ is about 1 meter long. Please subscribe and turn on notifications. Lion. The lions of Namibia. Many centuries ago, lions were one of the most numerous animals on earth. Today their range has been decreased more than any other animal. Even in the conservation haven of Namibia, their populations are now confined mainly to the northern reaches of the country. They can survive extreme desert conditions, feeding on gemsbok, ostriches and seals. The lions in Namibia have turned to hunting seabirds and seals in the face of scarce food resources in the desert landscape. The desert lions, which are found exclusively within the country's Skeleton Coast region, are the only lions known to target marine life. They will also eat flamingos and cormorants. The Skeleton Coast is the driest place in sub-Saharan Africa, recording as little as 5 millimeters of rain a year. The lion's usual prey of oryx and ostriches are not easy to find. The neighboring ocean, however, is rich in life, sustaining 1 million Cape fur seals that breed on the shoreline and a multitude of seabirds. African bush elephant. Namibia's desert elephants thrive in a unique environment. Namibia's desert-adapted elephants form an essential part of Namibia's biodiversity heritage, balancing the desert ecosystem and annual revenue through tourism for the country. The presence of elephants in the desert is vital to the local environment as elephants dig for water, making these resources available to other animals, and their deep tracks in the mud during the short rainy season provide an ideal environment for seedlings. Human and elephant conflicts, poaching and hunting have a severe impact on the health and survival of the desert elephant subpopulation of Namibia. They also have a lower reproductive rate than other savanna elephants due to the harsh conditions. Hippo. The hippo populations of Namibia is estimated around 1,300 animals, mostly resident in the rivers in the far northeast of the country. The male hippos are exceptionally territorial, threatening all rivals with hostile displays with their massive ivory tusks, which can grow to 30 centimeters in length, and fights among male hippos are a common occurrence. Namibia's hippos are currently under threat from the ongoing drought, and plans are afoot among conservationists to provide them with water, either by drilling boreholes or relocating them to places where conditions are more favourable. Hippos produce a reddish-coloured skin secretion called hipposudoric acid, or the orange-hued norhipposudoric acid, which are effective antibacterial and sunscreen agents. Zebra. Namibia is home to the Hartmann zebra and Burchell zebra. These large equids are long-lived, hardy and perfectly adapted to succeed in Africa's sometimes harsh environment. They are also an important link in the food chain and a favourite prey species of the lion. Hartmann zebra is well adapted for mountainside manoeuvring with strong, fast-growing hooves to make up for the extra wear. Burchell zebra or plain zebra are distinguished by the faint brown lines present alongside their characteristic black stripes. Crocodile. Only one species is found in Namibia. It is the Nile crocodile. Apart from being exceptionally long and heavy, it has a long and very uninviting set of jaws with prominent teeth. Ostrich. They are wild birds that occur naturally in Africa. They are well adapted to the dry conditions of Namibia and can go for long periods without water. During the mating season, the females ruffle their wings and the males do complicated dances and make loud booming noises. During mating, the male mounts the female and inserts his penis into a cloaca, facilitating the passage of sperm into the female. A few days after mating, the male digs a hole in the ground and the female lays her eggs in it. Wildebeest. They are found in the National Park in Namibia. They have a slate grey coat, sometimes with a brown tinge, a black tail and a long narrow head carrying horns which curve down and then up. The front quarters are heavily built and there is a mane and a beard reaching down the throat. There are darker creases on the sides. Calves are born after a 250-day gestation period. They are born in a 3-week period when conditions are the most favourable. At birth, the calves are licked clean by their mothers and can stand within a few minutes and run with her in 5 minutes. Eland. Despite their large size, these animals are surprisingly nimble, able to jump 3 meters high from a standstill and gallop at 40 kilometers per hour. While this makes them the slowest antelope, they make up for this by being able to maintain a trot of 22 kilometers per hour indefinitely. Elands can survive for up to a month without water. They get their water from the food that they eat. Dik-dik. They are found in dense thickets or dry rocky areas. African wild dog. In Namibia, the main focus is on reducing the level of human-caused wild dog mortalities outside of protected areas. Although packs of wild dogs occur in several of Namibia's northeastern national parks, they range widely beyond park boundaries and are frequently found on farmlands where they come into conflict with farmers. Please stay and watch another video with me. I love to read and reply to all of your comments. Thank you for watching my video. See you again soon. See you guys in my next video.